Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is a Poco X3 as you can see. And here I have flashed the mix already, and I am going to flash now just E ROM has been received for this Poco X3. Let's go into let's power off and flash the ROM. And if you're first time to this channel, head down subscribe down below by pressing the subscribe button, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, guys. And let's start the video by rebooting into recovery. You need to press the volume up button and the power button in order to get into the recovery. Leave the power button once it booted into the Poco logo or whatever it is. Keep pressing the power up button until it reaches the recovery. I am using here TWRP recovery, and some people ask about this. This is the latest version of TWRP, and you need to disable the passwords. Here I forgot to disable. All the time I will disable, but this time I forgot. You need to disable the passwords, and let's go into the wipe and select the advanced wipe and wipe the Dalvik cache data and swipe here to wipe it. After doing this, go into the install section and select the storage. You need to select the microSD card and select into the download where you downloaded. As you can see, this is the E0.20 ROM. Before that, you need to flash the firmware. Here, as you can see, I have EEA global and global, but 12.5.4. This is the latest firmware. Flash it. And in the Telegram, they have not mentioned whether the GApps included or not. Let's see. E0.20. After flashing firmware, you need to flash this ROM. It takes a little bit of time. After that, it gets flashed. As you can see, flashing has been done here successfully. And let's go into again wipe and select format data and press YES and press this tick mark. Formatting data has been done, and now go into reboot and press system. That's all, guys. This is the flashing out of EROM on this Poco X3. This is the latest build for Poco X3, NFC, Surya, Karna, whatever you call. And after setting up, I will be meeting you in the video. What all the bugs, features, and what all the benchmark results and DRM info result, everything I am going to explain in this video. Watch till the end of the video. And after setting this, all these apps and all, I got like this. Some of the apps are not present in the given app store. As you can see, this is the app store you get in this ROM. It's not a Google Play Store, guys. So some of the things are like limited in this ROM. I hope in the upcoming builds that will be get properly done. And as you can see, guys, this is the Android 11 build with EOS version 0.20r 2021-29 latest build, an official build as of now. Once it get official, I hope some of the things will get even improved. And as you can see, it's a Elama Lineage OS API level. Based upon that, it has been done, I think. And as you can see, you get Android 11 only, not 12. And vendor security patch is 1st October, and the Android security patch is 5th November, and the kernel used here is 4.14.246 Lineage GA. You can read here, that's the kernel. The latest build it is Thursday, December 9th, and the build number you can check out here. And this how you won't get any app drawer or anything like that. You will be seeing all the apps in the screen, and if you left swipe like this, you will get a weather information and some of the app suggestions you will get. And if you toggle bit, if you swipe downside, you will get a quick settings panel. Even if you swipe from left side, you will get app search here. If you swipe here, you will get a quick settings panel. It's Android 11 build only, so you'll get all the Android 11 style only. You can drag between them if you want to add them. And let's see, dark theme is completely fine, but here it's a little bit gray. You can check out in the quick settings panel it's dark, but in the settings panel it's gray. I think these things should be improved in the upcoming build, and you'll get all the settings from here. I mean the customization. In the buttons you get all the options like show arrow keys while typing, invert layout, back long press action, home long press action, home double tap action, recent long press action, end call long press for touch, wake device and answer call. You will get in the button settings. In system profiles you get these things. You can enable or disable from here. In the status bar you get quick pull down. You can toggle between on and off, and system icons are given. You can enable or disable, and even the clock position you can choose between left and right. And these are the time settings. And battery status cycle, style, you can choose only between two, either portrait or circle, and a text one. And percentage you can hide even if you don't want this one. And first of all, let me disable this dark theme. It's gray type, I don't like it. Okay, brightness slider, auto brightness and brightness control, those are given in this ROM. And MicroG settings, you get these kind of settings. And gestures, you will get gesture navigation button, and there is no option to increase the navigation bar, the gesture navigation bar, or the radius also, that's not available. And 3-finger screenshot is also not available in this ROM. These are the settings. You can reset these options. You'll get all the basic settings in this, the system settings. And coming to network and internet, you get all the options like hotspot, DNS and VPN. In the apps and notifications you get all these settings. Default apps are given. Okay, the launcher is Bliss launcher. And going into the display you will get the basic settings, and refresh rate is given. You can choose between 30 to 120. I have selected 120 here. And you can even select this smooth display, automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 120 Hz, but I kept it for 120 Hz as of now. Tap to wake and provincial action, tap to sleep, wake on, plug and wear. These things are given. Screensaver is also given. Adaptive brightness is given. Live display styles and wallpapers, you get nothing here. Even the wallpaper is also only one thing. The clock style also 3 things. It's basic ROM, but definitely it's going to improve in the battery life, I guess. Let's see. And you get this kind of dialer, let's see. And you get direct video call feature, that's a good thing. And let's see call recording is there or not. Responsible to record call. Okay, now call recording is there, but it will not announce the other person that call is recording, which is good thing. Many people like this to have in your smartphone. And this is how the OSS Poco X3 ROM. And let me show you the speed benchmark results here. As you can see, the single score is 556 and multi score 1550. The kernel used, as I explained already. The scores are pretty good. I think in the upcoming builds it's going to be better, because we are not using any Google Play services here, hence you might get better. And this is the message app you will get. These are the settings you get in the message app. And the camera is like open camera, it's looking like open camera. All the features are working fine. If you want, you can use Gcam ports also, that's not a problem. And coming to DRM info, let's see. It's level 1 certification, which is not a problem watching HD content in OTT applications. And safety net status, let's see. It's get failed. You need to pass it by flashing the file. Obviously we don't have Google Play stores. And I also checked the payment applications in this. For example, Google Pay, as you can see, it's there, you can use it, but you need to safety pass first, then you can use these applications, which are not a problem. And this is the speed test you can judge using Wi-Fi with 100 Mbps plan. The App Store need to be improved a little bit. In the upcoming builds, I hope it get improved. And you get tasks application here, and some of the pre-built applications like music and FM radio, all those things are given. And gallery you get, and you will get details here. And print section, set picture as slideshow, that's it. No settings here. You can edit the picture, I guess. Yeah, you can edit this picture in the gallery. You get some of the basic options here. That's how the gallery application you get. And maps are also pre-installed here. Some of the maps application takes time to update itself, as you can see. And file manager also given, mail also given, calculator is also given, as you can see. All basic things are given. As you can see, the Google Pay is also been installed. So this is going to be a little bit like still unofficial build. Once it get official, I'll be remaking the review, but as of now, should you try means I'll say yeah, you can try it out, but some of the apps may be not available as of now. I tested plenty of them, all were there, some of them were not available. As example, like BGM, I searched it, it was not there, but PUBG Mobile was available in this ROM in the App Store. So let's see in the upcoming builds how it is. And this is how the ROM performance. As you can see, the recent apps you can check out from here. Let's see the Geekbench score. The RAM management is also good. Definitely it's an very good alternative for aosp ROMs. It's very good build. I like this ROM with a little bit of difference compared to other ROMs. So that's all guys in this video. How you felt about this ROM, and if you are already using this, share your experience in the comment section below such that other people will understand to flash this ROM. And thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now. And one thing I forget, let me show you the fingerprint unlock. You won't get any face unlock, just fingerprint unlock is pretty quick. Just see, tap unlock, no face unlock, pattern unlock and fingerprint unlock.